Google's Pixel 10 launch event is just around the corner, set for August 20th, but thanks to a massive leak, there might not be many surprises left. This new leak spills almost everything about the Pixel 10 lineup, including the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the highly anticipated Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Let's start with the regular Pixel 10, which might be the entry-level option, but it's no lightweight. It features a 6.3-inch AQA display, powered by Google's new Tensor G5 processor. You get 12 GB of RAM, and on the back, a triple camera setup with 48 megapixel, 13 megapixel, and 10.8 megapixel lenses. This phone also supports 20x zoom, 4K video recording, and a 10.5 megapixel front camera with autofocus. Battery life is claimed to last over 24 hours, and there's also the new Pixel Snap wireless charging feature, the best part. Even though this is the base model, it runs on the same advanced chipset as the higher-end models, so you won't be sacrificing performance. Storage options will likely be 128 GB and 256 GB, and the display will retain last year's 120Hz refresh rate and 2420 x 1080 resolution. Color choices for the Pixel 10 include Obsidian, Indigo, Frost, and Limoncello, giving you a nice mix of classic and bold shades. While it's not a huge redesign compared to the Pixel 9, it could still sell incredibly well if the price is right. Moving up, the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL take things to the next level. Both share the Tensor G5 chip, but jump to 16 GB of RAM for even smoother multitasking. They come with 6.3-inch and 6.8-inch Super AQA displays, and the rear cameras are upgraded to a triple 50-megapixel plus 48-megapixel plus 48-megapixel setup. The standout feature here is the new 100x zoom capability, something we'll need to see in real-world tests, but it's a big leap on paper. For video, the Pro models can shoot in 8K, and the front camera is a massive 42-megapixel with autofocus. Battery life again promises more than 24 hours, and Pixel Snap wireless charging is included. Color options are Obsidian, Porcelain, Jade, and Moonstone, giving buyers both subtle and vibrant choices, while the Pro and Pro XL look very similar to last year's Pixel 9 Pro series. The upgraded zoom and new charging tech are welcome additions. Finally, we have the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the foldable that could shake up the market. This phone features an 8-inch Super AQA Flex primary display and a 6.4-inch AQA secondary display, making it perfect for multitasking or enjoying larger content. Like the Pro models, it packs 16 GB of RAM, the Tensor G5 processor, and battery life that should last over 24 hours. The camera system includes an advanced triple rear setup with 20x zoom, and although full details aren't listed, it's expected to be similar to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's cameras. Storage options will likely include 256 GB, 512 GB, and even 1 TB. For those who need maximum space, battery capacity is rumored to be around 5,000 mAh, which would be a big improvement for a foldable. Visually, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold looks sleek and premium, and if early leaks are accurate, it could be one of the most attractive foldables on the market. However, it may not launch alongside the rest of the lineup in August. Instead, in October, release is more likely. If you're into foldables, it might be worth the wait to compare it directly against Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7. What's clear from this leak is that Google isn't holding back with the Pixel 10 series. The standard Pixel 10 is shaping up to be an affordable flagship with strong performance. The Pro and Pro 40 bring top-tier camera and display upgrades, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold aims to capture the foldable crown with specs and images of all these models already out in the open. Google's August 20th event may simply confirm what we've been seeing for weeks. The big question now is pricing. If Google can keep costs competitive, the Pixel 10 series could be a major hit for 2025. So whether you're after a powerful and compact flagship, a big screen Pro model, or a premium foldable, Google's upcoming lineup seems to have something for everyone. The leaks may have spoiled some surprises, but they've also made one thing very clear: the Pixel 10 family is ready to compete head-on with the best smartphones in the world this year.